Humanoid robots, the future of work or just hype? Innovation Hub presents Let's Start. Humanoid robots are reshaping industries, from warehouses to workplaces, with their impressive versatility. Let's break down their categories and some notable players in this field. Robots on wheels. These robots are optimized for mobility and transportation tasks. Think of them as the lifeblood of logistics. Amazon uses robots like the Proteus to move shelves efficiently in warehouses. Similarly, Starship Technologies deploys small, autonomous delivery robots on wheels for last-mile delivery. These machines aren't humanoid, but demonstrate how robotics supports specialized, practical needs. Industrial icons. Boston Dynamics. Boston Dynamics is famous for its Spot robot dog and Atlas humanoid robot. Atlas represents the cutting edge of humanoid robotics, capable of dynamic movement like running, jumping, and even flipping. Meanwhile, Spot operates in construction and security, showing how non-humanoid designs can excel in specific industries. Tesla's Optimus. Tesla's Optimus robot is a humanoid focused on practicality. It's designed for tasks like assembly line work and basic human assistance, aiming to bridge the gap between industrial utility and affordability. While it's not as agile as Atlas, it reflects Tesla's vision of making robots commonplace in workplaces. Specialty robots. Other robots serve niche purposes. In healthcare, robots like TUG deliver supplies in hospitals. Meanwhile, robots like Pepper focus on customer interaction, blending human-like communication with practical functions. This diversity showcases how robots come in all forms, wheeled, humanoid, or specialized, to meet the growing demands of modern industries. Let's move on to the following part: how humanoid robots are impacting industries. Humanoid robots have started playing key roles in healthcare. For example, surgical assistants. Systems like the Da Vinci surgical robot aid surgeons with precise movements. Patient interaction. Robots such as Moxie deliver supplies and medications, saving staff time. Physical therapy. Robots assist patients in recovering mobility after strokes or injuries. Warehousing and logistics. Robots like Boston Dynamics Stretch specialize in tasks like loading and unloading packages. Tesla's Optimus, though still under development, aims to handle repetitive tasks, reducing strain on human workers. Retail and education. Robots such as SoftBank's Pepper guide customers and provide product information. But there are two biggest competitors on the market: Boston Dynamics versus Tesla. Boston Dynamics focuses on creating robots with advanced agility and mobility. Atlas, their humanoid robot, is designed for complex movement, like flipping, running, and navigating uneven terrain. Applications are broader in research, emergency response, and military scenarios due to their agility and reliability in extreme conditions. While Tesla is optimized for repetitive tasks in controlled environments such as factories or warehouses. It's designed to be cost-effective, unlike Boston's Atlas, which is more research-focused and expensive. Tesla's AI-driven approach ensures smooth integration with other Tesla technologies, like their car systems. What about the strongest parts of each company? Boston's versatility and impressive movement capabilities. It's about mastering the physical world. Tesla's scalability and affordability. Optimus targets mass production for practical, everyday tasks. Each bot is made for something. Boston's Atlas is a showcase of what's technically possible, while Tesla's Optimus is about bringing robotics to the mainstream. Which to choose? You must do it on your own. As we've explored in this series, humanoid robots are no longer confined to the realm of science fiction. They're working alongside humans in warehouses, hospitals, and even retail spaces, performing tasks with precision and efficiency. From Boston Dynamics' groundbreaking agility to Tesla's cost-effective practical Optimus robot, The progress we've seen is remarkable, but are they the future of work or just hype? The answer lies in how these robots are used. While Boston Dynamics pushes the limits of mobility and AI, Tesla's Optimus focuses on scalability, aiming to make robotics accessible to everyone. These innovations are not about replacing humans, but augmenting human potential. Humanoid robots have proven their value in industries where repetitive tasks, physical risk, or precision are critical. However, their success in the broader workforce depends on overcoming challenges like cost, battery life, and AI safety. So, are we at the brink of a robotic revolution? Probably. But it's a journey that needs collaboration between technology developers, businesses, and society to ensure robots serve us all. What do you think? Are humanoid robots a technological leap forward, or is the hype exceeding the reality? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this, you know what to do. Take care of yourselves and your loved ones. See you soon.